Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix up pop-up window, which is usually blocked on Mac when you're using Safari. So in this video, I'll tell you if you can turn it off or you can turn it on. That depends on you mostly. When you know the way how to turn it on or off, you can do it eitherwise the way you want. So without much ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open Safari. For example, if we go here, now we are here on the Apple website. So what do you have to do is you have to go to Safari and then settings. Once when you're here, go to websites, and once when you're here on website, go to pop-up windows. So you can see that I have just logged in on Apple. So Apple, the URL of Apple is listed here. Now I can block and notify, block and allow. Now it depends on me whether I want to block it or I want to allow the pop-ups from Apple, or I want to block any pop-ups that I get from Apple. That depends on me. Now what are the pop-ups? Pop-ups are usually the advertisements, the ads that we see when we are on a website. For example, if I'm here, now Apple doesn't have any pop-up ads, but if you are on any website that has any ads which are in the form of pop-ups, they will pop up from here, or they'll just, align on the main screen. Then you have to close the ads, then you have to close each and every ad. It gets annoying sometimes. Most of the people turn them off, but for any reason, if you want to turn them off, you can also turn them off. So I told you the way that you have to go to settings, Safari, settings, website, and then this. Now it's up to you. For some website, if you want a pop-up, you can turn it on. And for some websites that you don't want a pop-up, you can block it. So, that's easy as it is. And you can see there's another option here that when you're visiting any other website, now it's up to you. If you are visiting any other website, you can block it or you can allow it for that website. It's totally up to you. Most of the people, like I said, block them because they're annoying and they're unrelated. And nobody, clicks on a pop-up ad. Even if they want something, they'll just go to the desired website or they'll just Google it. They won't click on any pop-up ads. But for any reason, if you want them to pop up, then you can turn it on or you can allow it. So that's all you need to do. I hope this video was helpful. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.